Hi guys, welcome to my makeup tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to create this warm summer look that you can rock to school any day. If you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Before putting on my makeup, I like to prep my skin with a primer. This one is by Max Factor. I'll start off by doing my brows, mainly because I feel like if you make any mistake, it is easier for you to correct them. Now that I'm done with my brows, I start on my base, and using a wet beauty blender, I get on bouncing this bad boy all over my face. Now contouring and highlighting are essential, so I will be doing these steps next. Now to add some color, I will be using an angled brush to apply this cream blush. To set everything in place, I will be using a setting powder. This one is by Laneige. Now this is my favorite part, highlighting. And this highlighter palette by BECCA is amazing. Remember guys, more is more. Finally, we'll start with the eyes. I'm priming my eyes first. Now going in with Still Shot from the Urban Decay palette, I sweep it all over my eyelids. Diving into the She palette, I'm taking the color Duchess and packing it onto the outer corners of my eyelids. Next, the color Feely will go onto the inner corners of my eyelids. For the center of the lids, I will be using the color Cheek. Finally, using the color Deer, I'm bringing the look down underneath my eyes. For the lips, I'll just be using a plain red lip tint. To set and lock everything in place, I'll be using a setting spray. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video and how I share with you my makeup tutorial that I wear to school every single day. If you like this video, please click like, share and subscribe and watch my other videos over there. And if you guys have any tutorials or any looks that you want me to do, please comment in the comment box down below. Until next time, bye!